This villa category is called as a estate terrace villa with a private pool.
Over here there's a lovely sitting area. Washroom. It's quite huge. So this is the living area. Most interesting part. Our private pool. This is the Jacuzzi villa. So where you have a pool, that's actually a jacuzzi. This is the room. Premium category room of the Serai. This is a huge, very big living area. This is the bedroom. Very pretty. This also has a huge dining area. So there's a pool here and a jacuzzi there. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll take you on a room tour of the Serai Chikmagalur. Previously, we shared a property tour, and if you haven't seen it yet, I have linked it in the description below. Be sure to check it out.
We have a total 29 villas in the property. All the villas are with the private pools, and few villas are with the jacuzzis. This villa category is called as a estate terrace villa with a private pool.
So we just finished our check-in formalities and we got our room keys. So the person had just explained about the property, so let me take you in. So first things first, we got a free upgrade. So if you had listened to Sumant, who was talking to us at the reception, so he said he has given us a free upgrade. So we had actually booked a estate pool villa, but this is a estate terrace. So difference between that, the two is that estate terrace, we actually have this on 2 floors. So this is the upper floor, which has the bedroom and the bathroom there, and also the open shower. And then we need to go 1 level down where we have the living area and the swimming pool. But in the previous one that we had booked, it was all on the same level. So it's really exciting to get a free upgrade. So let me show you the snacks. So all this that you see here is complimentary. We have some fruits, some nuts, some biscuits, chocolates, and of course some wine. Shiraz red wine from Big Baggy. The same thing we had at Coog Wilderness. Yes. So we're gonna try this. Over here there's a lovely sitting area and the views are really good. So there's coffee plantation around. We can go out for a nature walk. Really nice. So we have this cool sitting area, then the bed, and then we'll go to the washroom here. The mini bar is inside this, and they've kept some juice as well, which is complimentary. So all this is complimentary for this room category, which is the estate terrace. And then here we have the coffee maker, the kettle, the tea coffee sachets. So they'll fill this up with mineral water or RO water, whichever you need. And then you can actually lift that kettle, place it here, and then make your tea coffee and just have it. Let me show you the washroom. It's quite huge. I love this. What do you call it? The sink? It's a pretty cool idea with just the glass there. So there are two sections here. This is for the indoor shower. So here also you have a similar set of wash area, and then that's the toilet, and then we have a huge mirror here. So this is the bathtub, indoor bathtub, and then if you open this door, so we have the outdoor shower here. All the toiletries are kept here, so there's the bubble bath, shampoo, conditioner, and the rest of the things. Now let's go down to the living area. So this is the living area. Living, some space for dining, and then some space for your office work. There's a table and chair for that. So we have the TV as well here and also on the upper floor. And they've also given a washroom here, a smaller one. So this is a smaller one. They have given a small washroom here in the ground floor as well. There's some plants that they've kept there. Looks nice. So there's dining, there's living, then your office space. They've also given cupboards there. Now to the most interesting part, the pool. So this room category has a private pool. It's 4.5 feet deep, and then there is also this space here where you can sit and relax or just lie down. Our private pool at the Serai. This is the room. Again, a seating area. Bathroom, it's same like ours. So the toilet and the bathroom, outside shower, and then the bathtub. This is all on one floor. There are no two floors here. So this is the Jacuzzi villa. So where you have a pool, that's actually a jacuzzi. Then you have that seating area over there. So this is the residence, which is the top level, the premium category room of the Serai. The main entrance. Wow, this is quite big. This is a huge, very big living area. The sofas, coffee table. There's a huge TV. There's the bedroom. Very pretty. There's the washroom. So this is the master bedroom with the attached toilet, and there's also one more bedroom there. There's the attached bathroom for the second bedroom. This also has a huge dining area. So cool, huh? So this has a huge pool. So there's a pool here, some place to rest. There's the jacuzzi here. And that's a place for the open shower. So this is the tour of the residence at Serai. It's quite huge, it's very pretty.